Welcome to this complete factory documentary. Today, we will explore how avocado oil is made in a modern factory. Avocado oil is a healthy and natural oil made from fresh, ripe avocados. It is widely used for cooking, skincare, and hair care because it is rich in nutrients and healthy fats. In this video, you will see the full avocado oil production process step by step. From harvesting fresh avocados on the farm, washing and cutting them, crushing the pulp, extracting the oil, filtering it, and finally bottling and packaging. We will show you how fresh avocados turn into pure golden avocado oil inside a large industrial factory. Let's begin the journey from farm to finished product. In this first stage, fresh avocados arrive at the factory from local farms. Here, workers and machines check the quality, size, and ripeness of the avocados. Only the best fruit is selected to begin the avocado oil production process.
Here at the processing floor, fresh, ripe avocados are washed and sorted, ensuring only the highest quality fruit is used for the oil extraction.
Now we move to the cleaning section of the avocado oil factory. In this phase, the avocados are carefully washed to remove dirt, dust, and unwanted particles. Clean fruit is very important for producing pure and safe avocado oil. At this stage, the avocados are cut open and the large seeds are removed. Machines separate the soft green pulp from the seed. This pulp will be used to extract natural avocado oil. Next, the soft avocado pulp is crushed into a smooth paste. This process helps prepare the fruit for oil extraction. The paste form makes it easier to release the natural avocado oil. During this phase, the avocado paste is slowly mixed in special machines. Gentle mixing allows small oil droplets to join together. This step helps increase the amount of avocado oil that can be extracted. Here, the mixture enters a high-speed centrifuge machine. The rapid spinning separates the pure avocado oil from water and solid parts. This is where clear oil begins to appear. After separation, the avocado oil passes through a filtration system. This step removes any remaining small particles. The goal is to produce clean, smooth, and high-quality avocado oil. In this stage, the filtered avocado oil is stored in large stainless steel tanks. The oil is kept under controlled conditions to maintain freshness, quality, and safety before bottling. Once the oil is ready, it moves to the bottling line. Machines carefully fill glass bottles with pure avocado oil. Each bottle is sealed properly to protect the oil from air and contamination. Finally, the bottled avocado oil is packed into boxes and prepared for delivery. The finished product is shipped to stores and customers around the world, ready for cooking and daily use. And this is how fresh avocados are transformed into pure avocado oil inside a modern factory. From harvesting on the farm to careful washing, cutting, crushing, and oil extraction, every step plays an important role in maintaining quality and freshness. Through advanced machines and strict quality control, the natural goodness of avocados is preserved in every drop of oil. After filtration, storage, and careful bottling, the finished avocado oil is ready to reach homes around the world. Avocado oil is valued for its smooth texture, healthy fats, and many daily uses. It is used for cooking delicious meals, supporting a healthy lifestyle, and even for skin and hair care. This complete journey shows how nature and technology work together to create a high-quality product. Thank you for watching this full avocado oil factory process. Stay connected for more real industrial documentaries.